it. Look, as I'm going along, I'll tap it on. This way.
Can't hold this and that at the same time.
Oh!
I don't know what you...
Oh! Oh! Babe, can you pass me another screw?
Get that, please.
Yeah. John. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Did the guy come, the plumber?
Yeah, he came. What it is, the gas supply is capped off.
Oh.
So that's what it is, that's the problem.
Oh, they kept the meter.
Yeah, they capped the meter from the previous owner, I think. Maybe I'll ask him to power flush it.
We tried expensive, 300 quid like that.
We have to wait for the gas engineer.
Oh.
The gas engineer has to come out first to make it live.
Oh.
Yeah. That's Lizelle. They didn't do any work today. You're gonna pour it. You mix it properly. You wanna make it look like you done a good job.
Start in order now.
Yeah, but I go right to left. It's like milk.
Milk.
Cheers. What do we do for this?
Leave it for now. Why? How long do you want it to break?
Not long. Just to finish it though.
Wait, the baby was yesterday.
Yeah, then you're after that.
Yeah, after this. Oh my god, it's just... The big one's taken. It's still full.
Yeah, that's it.
That is so funny.
Upstairs hallway. And basically Lizelle wiped everything clean so we can put the ceiling paint in. You're good at stirring. That's the other guy. He's on furlough. Daddy in a naughty corner. Oh, that's good. It's just one coat of deluxe paint. Then the ceiling started. So this little carpet removed. This is a painter. I've been painting for 36 years and a half now. He used to work on the ship, you know, 6 months there, 6 months back.
Looks nice, no?
Look at the quality of the finish. But he hasn't done a good job of the hinges here. Decent size, you know.